Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable your ad blocker on the Google Chrome web browser. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you have it up in your toolbar up here already, you want to go just left click on it, and then where it says this website, just toggle this to the off position by clicking inside the top oval, and that will turn it off. And then you will need to refresh the page in order for that to take effect. If you do not see this extension up there, you want to go click on the little puzzle icon, and then you want to go click the little thumbnail pin icon next to it to pin it up here. So once it's pinned, then you can go and do what I showed. You also have the option to remove it as well, just by right clicking on it and then select remove from Chrome. You can also go through the extension page as well if you have a different ad blocker or you don't see it up here. And in order to locate that, you just would select the menu icon, which is three dots vertically stacked, one on top of the other. You would select more tools and then select extensions. At this point, you'd be able to just temporarily turn off your ad blocker by clicking inside this oval one time just to turn it to the off position, which is symbolized by a gray half oval with a circle. So you can see this is turned off. Turn it back on, click inside of it one more time. You can see it turns back on. And if you want to just remove it, you can select the remove button. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.